Hi, welcome to Saltwater Sportsman's Boat Tour Videos. I'm your host, Dean Travis Clark, and today I'm aboard the brand new CABO 36 Express. Now this boat is a new Michael Peters designed hull that replaces the old and very successful CABO 35 Express. Beautiful boat, runs great. Come on aboard, let me give you the tour. Let's just start here in the cockpit. Of course, there's the obligatory transom door for swimming or dragging your big fish into. A bait well, and CABO was the first to put in a window in the bait well, and at night when it's lighted up from the bottom and your baits are swimming around in there, it's a beautiful effect like an aquarium. Lazarette gives you access to your fuel valves as well as your pumps, through hulls, and steering quadrants. Right here behind me is a big fish box. There's a mirror image one on the other side. Moving forward, you have two modules at the front end of this cockpit. This one has a sink, wash down, and bait rigging station with storage underneath. On the opposite side is a big freezer or refrigerator, depending on how high or low you set the temperature. Now this whole bridge deck lifts up on rams for access to the engine room. Let me show you. This beautiful sparkling clean engine room holds a pair of Caterpillar C9 ACERT engines, 567 horsepower each, with electronic controls. Crash valves, routine maintenance points, easily accessed through hull for the sonar. Everything is right near at hand, so you don't have a worry in the world about being able to reach anything. Here's the quick circle of the bridge deck. You have a lovely little cocktail table here for this straight settee on the port side. This seat back, which is letting you face forward now, switches so that if you're trolling, you can watch your baits and have a seat back there. But here's another trick feature. Lift this up. There you go. Coming up here to the helm, electronic controls. This happens to have the Furuno NavNet 3D system, Caterpillar's electronic displays, Simrad's AP24 autopilot, an ICOM VHF radio, and another Furuno RD30 repeater over here, and the stereo system. Hydraulic power assist steering makes turning on this boat a breeze, one finger control.
The expansive one-piece windshield boasts an electric vent on its center line.
Moving forward, a cedar-lined hanging locker here, a double berth right here, a single berth on the starboard side, and up forward in this outboard cabinetry on both sides is actually rod storage. The galley has beautiful counters, a deep sink, microwave convection oven, storage above and below, refrigerator, freezer, and a 2-burner cooktop, and then here is the head. The shower stall folds away, and you have all this space in the head. So, that's the cook's tour. Let's start the engines, and I'll take you for a sea trial.
The CABO 36 Express hit a top speed of 35.5 knots, turning 2,500 RPM. Now at that speed, you're burning 57.4 gallons per hour for an effective range of somewhere around 240 nautical miles. And that's burning 0.6 nautical miles to the gallon. Now, at a cruising speed of 25 knots, turning 1,800 RPM, you're burning only 25.4 gallons per hour total, with a range of almost 400 nautical miles, and that's a mile to the gallon.
That's CABO Yacht's brand new, Michael Peters designed 36-foot Express. Contact CABO, find out where your nearest dealer is, and go and take a look at one for yourself. You'll really be glad you did. Welcome to Saltwater Sportsman's Boat Tour Videos. I'm your host, Dean Travis Clark, and I'm aboard CABO Yacht's newest addition to their model line, the CABO 52 Convertible. Come on aboard, I'll give you a quick tour, and then we'll take it out for a sea trial. I'm going to waltz you around this cockpit, starting here with this 75-gallon lighted bait well. And CABO Yachts was the first company ever to install one of these beautiful windows in there so that